Hello again, Paul. All right. Here is your French. Carter 3636 SA. Looking pretty good, I guess. Again, everything is good. No leaks. Very happy about that. Take a look down inside again. Yes, sir. All dry. All right. Well, let's go ahead and fire it up. That's what you get when your timing is perfect. All right. Again. And as you can see, no drips. That means everything's good inside. All right. Let's look at some numbers. For the 636, I like about 650 to 700. And right now it's doing 660 on the tachometer. Fuel pressure again is about 2.75. Vacuum, we set to 23. Maybe a little more change. Looking good. And again, there's my dwell at 42. We'll pull her through. I think you're going to like this one too. Thank you, buddy.